In this question, you have to identify the incorrect statement. Option A: bioreactors are used to produce small scale bacterial cultures. Now, it is incorrect because bioreactors are mainly designed for large scale production, such as industrial fermentation processes or large scale bacterial or microbial cultures. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B: bioreactors have an agitator system, an oxygen delivery system, and a foam control system. Now, this is true because bioreactors include these components to maintain optimal growth conditions. The agitator system is responsible for uniform mixing. The oxygen delivery system supplies the necessary oxygen for the aerobic processes, and the foam control system prevents excessive foaming. Hence, this is incorrect option. Option C: a bioreactor provides optimal growth conditions for achieving the desired product. Now, this is also true because bioreactors are indeed designed to maintain optimal conditions. For example, temperature, pressure, nutrient supply, or oxygen levels to maximize microbial growth and the product yield. Hence, this is incorrect option. Option D: most commonly used bioreactors are of stirring type. Now, this is also true. Stirring type bioreactors, such as stirred tank reactors, are widely used due to their efficiency in mixing oxygen transfer as well as scalability. Thus, this is also incorrect option.